Huwag na nating bitinin, share ko na agad ang mga favorite spot and activities ko sa Fukuoka. First on the list, shopping na agad sa Canal City, Hakata. Canal City is a shopping center and I would say, ang pinaka main attraction is the water fountain show and artificial man-made canal that runs through the shopping complex. After shopping, pwede maglakad-lakad along the river banks and you can explore a small pocket of parks around the area. And to cap off the day, mag-dinner sa River Food Market at huwag palalagpasin ang Hakata Tonkatsu Ramen. If naghahanap kayo ng food for the soul, don't skip Nanzuin Temple. Medyo strict sila sa dress code, kaya make sure to dress appropriately. Bawal din ang pagdadala ng tripod, so better iwanan na lang or ilagay sa loob ng bag. Next, i-explore ang Momochi Seaside Beach. If ang accommodation nyo is near this area, you can actually run here to exercise or just sit by the beach and watch the locals playing volleyball and fishing. Katabi lang nito ang Fukuoka Tower at pwedeng umakyat sa observation deck with a fee to see the surrounding area. Nokonoshima Island naman offers nature escape and is a 10-minute ride from the ferry terminal to the island. Bonus, kapag spring season ang punta nyo dito kasi you can catch yung full bloom ng cherry blossoms. Or if wala, meron pa rin silang field of seasonal flowers that is equally captivating. Next, wag na wag palalagpasin ang pamamasyal sa Ohori Park. Best time to go here is early in the morning to catch the sunrise or mga bandang hapon naman para sa sunset. Mayroong large central pan at cafe sa loob ng park na pwede mong tambayan habang naghihintay sa paglubog ng araw. At dahil malapit na via high-speed rail, hindi ko na din pinalagpas ang Kumamoto Castle. A bit pricey, yes, but yung experience to visit a place can never be replaced by any monetary amount. So if you have time, a quick Kumamoto visit is worth every penny. Bonus tip, you can go to Lalaport Shopping Complex para sa final shopping and to see the life-size Gundam statue to heal your inner child. Overall, Fukuoka offers a relaxed, walkable, and affordable alternative to Tokyo or Osaka. Mas malapit sa nature and refreshing compared to big cities. Probinsya feels it is. Kaya naman isave mo na itong video reference for your next trip!